This is the QJMotor SVT650, and I kid you not, it's 5699 on the road, and it is full of spec. But what you want to know is it any good? So first things first, let's have a quick look at what you get. This engine is 645cc and it will give you 65 Newton meters of torque. It has a 20 litre fuel capacity, meaning you're going to get some seriously big miles from it. Lovely spoked wheels, 19 on the front and 17 on the rear. You have a seat height of 795 mils. That means that you can easily flat foot it. A beautiful large TFT display. You've also got heated grips and heated seats. These lovely little buttons just here. Full LED lights, front, back, indicators, everything's LED. Dual front discs and Brembo brakes. And there is so much more. But do you know what? I just want to get out on the road because that's where all the fun happens. So let's see exactly how this rides out on that beautiful open road.
Well, here we are on the QJMotor SV650. And this is an interesting bike because, are you ready for this? This is a 650cc engine creating 75 brake horsepower, so plenty of poke. And do you know what the secret thing is? It's the Suzuki V-Strom engine. QJ bought all of the tooling, all the stuff from Suzuki for this engine. So basically, you're getting a Suzuki for a fraction of the price. Now, it comes with loads and loads of kit. So you've got backlit controls, so when you're cruising at night, you feel a little bit like the Dark Knight himself because it's glowing at you in that beautiful, beautiful blue. But it looks cool, doesn't it? Controls, nice and easy again. QJ just seem to have it down to a T, don't they? For nice, easy to use switch gear. It's all there. It's all just super, super simple. Now, the seat height of this is actually pretty low. What's good for slightly, let's not say the word shorter, normal size people, because 795 millimeters. That means at 5'8", with reasonably long legs, not super short legs because we're normal people, I can flat foot this without any issue at all. Also, a front adjustable screen, so if you want to go down the motorway, you whack it up, saves all that wind. Pop it down in the summer, get the air. Oh, lush. Again, this bike comes with everything, and then right now it comes with full luggage. I mean, what do we spend on luggage these days? £1.5 grand, £2 grand, £3 grand? It comes with luggage included at the moment, if you're quick. It's got all the good stuff you want from an adventure bike. It's got your handguards, it's got protective bars for the engine, so it doesn't just look cool, it's protected as well. Now, the weight of this bike out on the road feels like, well, a mid-size adventure bike. Still reasonably light, to be fair, reasonably light. So I wouldn't say it's not heavy at all. I wouldn't say it's even midweight. It feels between light to midweight is where I'd put it. Light to midweight. So open up the throttle a little bit more. Ready to let this engine go. Ready, 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 go! Oh my days, oh my days. What a sweet noise this bike makes. I'm going to drop it back, Ready? Ready, I'm going to drop it back. Ready? Listen. Oh, it's pokey. It's pokey. So comfort, let's talk about comfort side of things. So seating position, again, on the QJs, what I'm finding from their adventure range is that the actual in position, legs are slightly back, nice and comfortable, giving that kind of sporty feel to the bike, but you're upright in that adventure stance. And again, flat arms straight out on the bars. Again, look at the reach of these bars. You can have it backwards and forward. You can just get it set up perfectly, but straight out of the crate as such, that's a nice straight up angle for me and my arms. Of course, modern day comes with all of the good stuff, traction control, ABS, all switchable. Take a look at the TFT display, absolutely huge and super crystal clear. You've got your kilometers an hour or miles per hour, depending if you ever remember to put it into miles per hour. Here, with this kind of Star Wars style effect, stars behind it warping through. I really like that about these bikes. You've got your clock to make sure that you're never home late for your Sunday dinner, because you always want to get back for your first pint of non-alcoholic beer or ale, because we're British, and your Sunday dinner. You've got your what gear that you're in, bang on in the middle of the screen, and that's really cool, because how many times do we go, which gear am I in? Have I got another one to go? Really nice and easy to see. Not little tiny, but nice and easy to see. Then on the left hand side top, we've got our engine temperature, we've got our fuel gauge underneath that. On the right hand side is our rev counter, nice and easy again to see. Power! Oh yes. And then at least and then underneath that you've got your front tyre, what will give you the actual tyre temperature, amazing, and your PSI in your front. And then over on the right hand side you've got your rear, so we know it's 21 degrees on my rear, and it's got a 32 PSI currently in the tyre. And then in the middle you've got your total. Now, being able to switch through things, if you tap over here on the controller, at the bottom of the menu you can flip through. I know I've got a total of 463 kilometres, you've got trip A and trip B. Really nice and easy to do. Super nice, these controls. They really are. Through the mirrors and things like that, not getting loads of vibration either coming through. The bike does feel pretty silky smooth to ride. Suspension, fully adjustable. And I've got to say, I'm going to say it, I've got to say it, the ride is just lovely. I mean, the tarmac's good, but the ride on this bike, oh, it's just lovely and smooth. But anyway, it's fully adjustable, so you can set it up to exactly how you want it. This bike has, of course, full LED lights front and back, and it also has auxiliary lights already on the bike. Basically, if you buy this bike, you are going to turn around and go, all the things I would have bought because I'd want them, like bars and auxiliary lights, are already on it. It's just already on it. Well, that's cool. For this price, that's really cool. So we've got a pokey, nice 75 brake horsepower engine, but at these lower speeds, it's nice too. Look how smooth it is that we're controlling this bike. It's not got that kind of, do you know what I mean, that jolty feeling to it. It's just got this really nice power delivery. Keeps trucking, but just delivers it all the way through. Just all the way through of just pure elegance of acceleration. So here we are, coming up to a red light. This is what I'm saying about putting your feet down on the floor, that little bit lower seat height. It's nice. So pulling off from here on this hill, I mean, I can let go of the throttle, I'm not going to go back. It feels light. It just feels really light. Up on the pegs, that adventure feel feels good too. Now, what this bike's given me, and this is a short ride, a short review ride of this bike, not long term, but jumping on it, the vibe this bike's given me already is big trip vibes. The bike that I'd buy and go, do you know what? I fancy a European adventure, or I fancy going past Europe. I fancy riding to Africa and back, and having a bike that's fun, light, capable, and I'll say it as well, a bike that you'd probably go, do you know what? I would take this down the odd cheeky lane. This 650, I think, would like it, because it's smooth power delivery, it's not jerky, it feels light. I mean, bada boom, bada bing. That's a lot of boxes ticked right there. Long distance adventure bike, done. Screen, everything you could possibly want, beautiful display, light feeling, nimbleness as well, to have some fun on the twisters, but light enough to give you the confidence to say, oh, I wonder where that lane goes. Let's go and find out. And that's what QJ have created with this 650. A beautiful middleweight adventure bike, capable of some seriously cool things. Oh, I wouldn't mind one of these myself. I wouldn't mind one of these at all.
Okay, so it rides amazing. We know that now. It rides, it's just delicious to ride. But what we want to know, what we need to know, is how cool does it look? How did you look when you're on this mighty machine? Well, let's find out. Well, there you go, eh? There you go. The QJMotor SVT650. What a blast. And I can't believe it. 5,699 plus on the road. All this spec, that ride, that comfort. It's just a shocking price. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, well, where do you pick up this beautiful machine? Well, of course, I'm going to leave you all the links down in the description so you can go down, click on one of their local dealers and just take one out for a spin, because you're going to be super, super impressed. And the thing of it is right now you're getting that free luggage as well, free luggage on this bike. And that's not going to last forever. So this really is the time to pop down, grab a test ride and get yours ordered, because I would love to have this in my garage. Generally, what an absolute beast. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see the latest bikes being reviewed, then of course, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy adventures, well, I do that too. So I will see you here next time on Helmet Head. Take care, bye-bye, and get yourself one of these babies.
To our